Okay, all right, so this is a product review of Evapo Rust. I've used this in small pieces of metal, and it's actually worked out really well. Here I have a radiator, hose spring, and also an engine mounting bracket here that are pretty rusty. And so I just wanted to give it 24 hours of soak in the Evapo Rust to see how it works. And so this will be my test. So I'm going to fill this up here. And again, the Evapo Rust can be reused, and so they say you just reuse it until it turns black. So we'll see how that works. Might end up using the entire thing here to get it submerged. So we're going to give this overnight, 24 hours to sit here and soak away, and we'll come back tomorrow and post a second video and see how it does.